I should have done this a long time ago. So here it is.
First trek post lockdown. Of course, we wore masks, did temperature checks, sanitized, the whole thing. This was a fairly easy trek, and let's call this Tumbadi trek. The village name is Tumbadi, there are many hills around. On the trek, we did some trekking, met new people, did monkey acts, more monkey acts, other weird acts, spoke to the locals, took some scratches, enjoyed the view, ate stuff, explored new trails, took a dip in the river, and it was good. I started from my place at 4 am. You can call it an organized trek, and my pickup point was 5 kilometers away. So I walked 5 kilometers for a 8 kilometer trek because that's how I roll.
It's 4:30 and I'm going to my pickup point to go for the trek.
We had to wait for fellow trekkers, wait some more, and then we finally took off. The trailhead is about 90 kilometers from Bengaluru city. Takes approximately 2 hours. We started the trek at the trailhead at around 8 am. Beautiful weather all along the way. It is generally easy, not much steep section, fairly doable trek. There were a lot of hills around. We climbed one of those hills. So you come across this fort wall. So this is almost 70% of the trek itself. After a 2 kilometer walk on flat terrain, you go around the fort to find the broken entrance. You find a small pond at the top, a Ganesha temple, and a beautiful view. There is one appealing thing about the fort, is its entrances and secret rooms. Here's one such example. What looks like a window, just like a window from the outside, when you climb and look down, it's a vast pitch dark room. Definitely no one would think that there is some kind of a room here. Another one here is the entrance. So as I'm walking here, as you enter here, this looks like the entrance, but it is kind of a trap. The actual entrance is through here. Well, rain was on and off during the whole trek. On the way up, we met this local guy who told us he was an RSS volunteer and
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕ ಸಂಘದ ಮಧುಗಿರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಚಾರಕ.
we had a foreign couple with us. We had conversations along the way.
I'm Anis, I'm from France, doing this work with Bangalore, I don't remember.
Adventure School.
That Bangalore Adventure School for the first time, and back after a long break of the coronavirus.
My name is Liliana and I'm from the trek. It's a beautiful place and I like it. Yes, to get out and to see more of Bangalore, Karnataka.
Your surf station.
So we explored a new trail on the way back. So a new trail of course means thorns, uneven rocks, scratches, but definitely more fun. We came back down where the explored trail connected back to the main trail to find our vehicle. Now this was the trek part. So the total trek up and down is about 8 kilometers. The trailhead from the route which we went through is itself 90 kilometers from Bangalore. So after the trek we went to a nearby dam. This is an irrigation dam. Nobody got into the water except me because I'm the over enthusiastic one. After a cool dip in the river, we headed back home. Reached back to Bangalore, said bye to everyone.
Bye.
Bye.